So to help you celebrate Halloween, I've created a pair of simple earrings, and what I'm using is 2 charms, 1 6mm jump ring, and 1 fishhook ear wire, but you can use any type of ear wires that you prefer. So to start, I'm going to just take my jump ring and gently push it so I have a nice opening, but I'm not pulling it to disfigure it. I'm going to put it on the cat loop, and then I'm going to take my witch and I'm going to slide that jump ring through her body there, and slowly and just kind of pushing it in together so we have a nice tight closure. And then I'm going to take my ear wire and I'm going to push that loop to open it, and then I'm going to slide it onto the loop on the top of her hat, close it, and there you have it. As simple as that. Halloween earrings.